always hang around graveyards and scare people?
Hey, we're just having a goof.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something colorful. We're going to be working with a color that I normally don't work with, which is going to be, actually two colors I don't normally work with, which are going to be a blue, green, and we're going to strictly stay in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. We're sticking with the mattes, so there's going to be no glitters once again. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. First thing we're going to do is prime our eyes with concealer. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna set our eyes with the banana setting powder, and I got this in my Ipsy bag. Super cute. It's like holographic. I love that. I think it's so adorable. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do from the BH Cosmetics palette is we're gonna take this orange color and we're gonna put it in our crease and blend it up. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to take this blue. We're gonna take this blue and we're gonna put it in our crease. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this lighter purple and we're going to put it in our crease as well. Real quick, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am blending every single color up so they blend better with the orange and the color before. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take that brush that we used on the orange and we're going to go in with this darker purple and we're going to put it right actually on the crease and we're going to blend it just a tad bit up to blend more with the purple. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to take this lighter orange and we're just going to put it above where all of the colors are and blend it into the orange and push it up a little bit more towards the brow bone. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to take that same brush that we used on the dark purple. We're actually going to take this color right here and we're going to put it in the crease. What we're going to do is we're going to cut a tiny crease. It's not going to be too large. Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is right on the lid, we're going to go ahead and take this green right here and we're going to place it on the edge and put it in towards the middle. Okay, on the very edge of the eye, we're gonna go ahead and go in with this darker green color just because this is a little bit flat looking. Okay, now we can continue with what we're doing. Okay, now with that same brush, we're gonna go on with this lighter green and put it right in the center. Going towards the center, we're going to go ahead and go in with this yellow right here. Okay, now the very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this white, like very white yellow shade, and we're going to put it right in the center. Inner corner, very inner corner. And on the bottom, we're just going to take what we used in the crease and up, and we're just going to brush it forward. Okay, and for highlight on the brow, I'm going to go ahead and use this DLS Baked Highlighter. last thing is lashes. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is what it looks like with lashes on. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this because I really enjoyed making this because I use colors that I don't normally use, and I'm trying to hit the pan with these colors. So let me know if you guys like this color or this look in the comments or my DMs, whichever. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Besitos.